When I tell you guys to take content creation more seriously in this 2025, I am not always talking to you only. I am always talking to myself as well. So guys, you know what happened? When I woke up yesterday morning, I had so many content ideas, but guess what? I had just 2% in my phone. At that point, I was so disappointed. I know you will ask, don't you have power bank? Yes, I have power bank. I don't know what happened to my power bank. It was no longer charging my phone to 100%. So I needed to get a new power bank. So yesterday, I stepped out and guess what I got? I got 40,000 AMH Oraimo power bank. So guys, I'm so sorry. I have already unboxed it because I was like, before I come out to talk to you guys about this power bank, I need to use it so that I'll be talking from a place of experience. So this 40,000 AMH Oraimo power bank, if you ask me, I will say it is worth it. I know you want to know the price. Yes, I am in Nigeria and I got it for 50,000 naira. So guys, it is worth it. If you check the body here, it is written at the back, anti-fast. Trust me guys, this power bank is fast. Like, it literally charged my phone from 0% to 100% in less than an hour. So if you check the front here, it says Oraimo Smart Accessories. Then they go ahead to say charge phone to 60% in 30 minutes. This is true. Then here, LED digital display. Then here it says 22.5 watts fast charging, fully charged phone up to 8 times. Up to 8 times, guys. This is what you need as a content creator. You need a power bank that once the power bank is full, you can use it to charge your phone for at least more than 5 times, more than 6 times, more than 7 times. So let me show you what the inside looks like. Guys, look at the back. Look at what it looks like. Oraimo has really tried. Seriously, Oraimo has really tried. You know what? When I went there to buy power bank, the sales guy was just like, oh, you can buy this other one. I was like, it's Oraimo that I want. So guys, this is what it looks like. It comes with a cord, USB cord type C. So this is what the power bank looks like. It is very heavy. Trust me, I cannot carry it with one hand. I can't even carry it with one hand. This is what it looks like. So let me remove it from this nylon so that you can see. So for the output, guys, it has the first output here, it has the second output, the third output, and the fourth output. So look at it here, guys. So you can literally use it to charge up to 4 phones at a go. Look at it, guys. Very heavy. Oh, don't be upset, please. I had already written my name on the power bank. You know it's expensive. I got it for 50,000 naira, and 50,000 naira should be around, is it $30 or be $35 or so? So that is it. So I've used this power bank, and permit me to talk from the place of experience. I used it yesterday to charge my phone, and in less than an hour, my phone that was 0% charged to 100%. So yesterday when I bought it at 70%. So after I bought it, I went and charged it. I charged it to 100%. After charging it to 100%, I've used it to charge my phone for 4 times. So for 4 times, I have 61% left. So literally, this 61% left that I have on this power bank can take me, I can charge my phone again from 0% to 100% for another 4 times, because this is what the pack says. The pack says that it's fully charged phone up to 8 times. So guys, are you even ready? Remember that our 30 days YouTube monetization challenge is currently ongoing. So you need power bank to charge your phone. You need to charge your phone, charge your laptop, whatever thing you use in creating content. You need to charge those devices so that you will not be left out. So guys, let me know if you've bought this power bank before. Let me know if you've used it before. And you know the amazing thing, so where I got it, I was given a receipt. Guys, I've been buying power bank. This is my first time of getting a receipt for buying a power bank. So when I asked the guy was like, okay, he's giving me this receipt in case the power bank has issues before 365 days. So here it has a warranty. Look at it here, guys. It has a warranty. So if something happens to this power bank in less than 365 days, I will need to go back to where I bought it with this receipt. Once I go there, I'll tell them what the issue is and they will rectify it for me. So if I am to say my mind, you know this power bank is expensive. Like, the first thing I asked the guy before I paid for the power bank, I was like, does it have lights, like a kind of a torch, so that maybe in the evening, if I do not have if there is no electricity, I can use the light here? And the guy was like, no, that it does not. So please, Oraimo, if you see this video, when inventing something else, I think it should come with a torchlight so that we can use it. You understand? So if I wanted buying a torchlight and I wanted buying power bank, so I think it would be best I buy a power bank that has a torch. Like, am I making sense at all? Of course I know I'm making sense, because I know there are some persons out there who will be in the same school of thought with me. Guys, let me know if you've purchased this power bank before. Let me know if you have purchased from Oraimo before. This is my first time patronizing them in power bank. I've been using other brands, I've been using other of their products. Like, I can recall last year I was using an Oraimo charger and it was perfect. It was perfect. It gave me that vibe that I wanted. So guys, 4 output, 2 input. So whatever you want, if you want, okay, here it says power box 400 vision. Power box 400 vision. I don't know what that means. Please, if you know what that means, leave it in the comments. Please kindly explain that to me in my comments so I can have an idea of what that is. So for the anti-fast, it says anti-fast is Oraimo exclusive smart charging technology. It intelligently identifies the fast charging protocol of your mobile to deliver the speediest possible charge. Hey, good. Guys, if you don't have a power bank, you're not ready for this journey. I can say this over and over again. If you do not have a power bank, you are not ready for this journey. Mind you, I have a generator. I bought a generator for the sake of this content, creating of content. So please, if you don't have a generator, go and get a power bank. Most especially for my content creators, for my subscribers staying in Nigeria. Truth be told, you need power bank. I don't want to say more than this. You already know the situation of the country, right? So you need power bank so that it can at least help you in case there is no electricity where you are. So let me know, guys. See, look at Bonner Boy. So I don't understand. Is it that Burna Boy is also making use of this same power bank, or is their brand is a brand influencer? So guys, thank you. See, okay, I didn't even see this. I didn't notice this. Oh, can you see this? It has this authentication. So okay, and I have authenticator on my device. So I think once I'm done, I will have to scan this. So the essence of this authentication is for you to check if it is original. Oh, Oraimo, this is beautiful. Here it says scratch coating. Enter the code to check the authentication. So guys, once you buy this power bank, for you to know if it is original, this is where you need to check it. I don't know if that your power bank, the one you have at home, I don't know if it has this feature. Does it? It doesn't. So Oraimo, thank you so much for this wonderful package. So I am looking forward to enjoying this power bank. Guys, let me know if you'll be getting Oraimo power bank. Like, it is heavy. Like, the weight not be here. Seriously, it is very, very heavy. It's very, very heavy. So like I rightly stated, Oraimo, if you see this video, please, when inventing something else, let there be a touch, because I cannot buy just power bank at the rate of 50,000 naira, yet I'm not getting something else other than just charging my phone, charging my wristwatch. At least there should be a touch light so that I can use it at night. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.